December 19, 2009, Baltimore, Maryland. Yesterday, when I came home from work, there was no snow on the ground. This morning, around noon, I'd say there's probably close to about a foot. Look at that. And we've got snow in the trees. There goes the plow. Very cool. These are our mailboxes. This is the other side of the house. The interesting thing is you can see a line of snow. Maybe those bands represent density of snowfall over time. I'm sure there's some elegant function which describes it. Pretty nifty level curves there.
Yeah, we're up to 12 already.
12 already. Let me try and zoom in on that.
Lock it.
There it is. Crazy.
Yeah.
Just a bit cold.
Yeah.